In this video, we will look at some of the best laser module on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, NEJE N40630 450 nanometers laser module. The NEJE N40630 450 nanometers laser module is designed as a versatile tool for various applications such as laser engraving, 3D printing, CNC milling, and Arduino projects. Here's a detailed look at its features and specifications. Optical power output. The NEJE N40630 offers a power output ranging from 5.5 W to 7.5 W, making it suitable for engraving a variety of materials including 3mm acrylic with a single pass at a speed of 100. Safety. It incorporates built-in protective glass to enhance user safety. Number 4, Laser Tree K3030W Optical Power Laser Module. The Laser Tree K3030W Optical Power Laser Module stands out as a powerful tool designed for precision engraving and cutting tasks. Ultra-high power. The Laser Tree K30 harnesses true 30W plus optical power by combining 6 5.5W laser diodes using beam compression technology. This configuration ensures a robust laser beam for efficient cutting and engraving. Built-in air assist airway and dual fan cooling design. Features built-in air assist airway for clean-cut edges and improved cutting performance. Dual fan cooling design ensures excellent heat dissipation, maintaining stable operation and extending the module's lifespan. Working status indicator. LED indicators, power, and signal provide easy monitoring of electrical connection status, ensuring smooth operation. Temperature display and alarm function. Includes a temperature display feature to monitor internal module temperature easily. Alerts users with a buzzer alarm when the temperature exceeds 55 degrees Celsius, preventing overheating and potential damage. Red cross line locating. Red crosshair helps precisely position the working frame, enhancing accuracy for secondary cutting and engraving tasks. Super fast engraving speed. Offers 3 times the engraving speed compared to a 10W laser power module, optimizing productivity without compromising quality. Copper core protection lens. Ensures durability and ease of maintenance with an easy-to-clean and replaceable lens design, crucial for sustained performance. Laser view window. Equipped with an anti-blue light view window made of optical glass, providing eye protection against blue light emissions and enhancing safety during operation. The Laser Tree K3030W Optical Power Laser Module impresses with its high-performance capabilities tailored for professional engraving and cutting applications. With advanced features such as powerful laser output, efficient cooling mechanisms, precise temperature monitoring, and safety enhancements, it is an excellent choice for users demanding superior cutting precision and operational reliability. Number 3, AENBUSLM Laser Module. The AENBUSLM laser module is a versatile and efficient tool designed for laser engraving and cutting tasks, equipped with several notable features. Air assist technology. Includes an air nozzle for improved cutting performance and cleaner edges, ensuring precise results. Superior cutting ability. 40W laser module. Capable of cutting pine wood up to 10 mm thick, basic plywood up to 5 mm, and black acrylic up to 5 mm. 80W laser module provides enhanced cutting capabilities, cutting pine wood up to 20 mm thick, 15 mm in one pass, basic plywood up to 10 mm, one pass, and black acrylic up to 10 mm, 7 mm in one pass. Protective cover design. Features a laser protective cover that effectively filters blue light during engraving or cutting processes, ensuring safety and protecting eyes. Wide range of applications. Able to engrave and cut various materials including metal, wood, leather, rubber, and acrylic. The cutting and engraving depth and speed depend on the module's power rating. Number 2, Laser Tree K40 Laser Module. The Laser Tree K40 laser module is a high-performance tool designed for precision engraving and cutting tasks, featuring advanced functionalities that cater to both hobbyists and professionals. Incorporates 8 PCS of 5.5W plus beam compressed laser diodes, providing over 40W of optical power. This setup ensures rapid and efficient cutting capabilities. Built-in air assist airway and dual fan cooling design. Features built-in air assist airway for clean-cut edges and enhanced cutting performance. Dual fan cooling design ensures optimal heat dissipation, maintaining stable cutting ability and extending module lifespan. Red cross line locating. Includes a red cross positioning cursor at the bottom, offset X, 0 mm, Y, minus 21 mm. Number 1 Laser Tree K30 Laser Module. The Laser Tree K30 laser module is a powerful and versatile tool designed for high-performance laser engraving and cutting applications. Built in with 12 PCS of 6W beam compressed laser diodes. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.